I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn better in college. First, focus on active learning. Don't just passively read. Instead, ask yourself questions about the material and participate in class discussions. When taking notes, summarize key concepts in your own words rather than just copying. This active processing helps your brain connect new information. Aim to review your notes within 24 hours of a lecture to significantly boost your memory and understanding. Next, optimize your study habits for maximum impact. Break down large assignments into smaller, manageable tasks, perhaps dedicating 30 to 45 minutes to each. Employ spaced repetition, reviewing material at increasing intervals over time, which is proven to enhance long-term memory. Regularly test yourself with practice questions or flashcards. This active recall is far more effective than simply rereading your notes. Effective time management is crucial for college success. Start by creating a weekly study schedule, allocating specific blocks of time for each course, and sticking to it consistently. Prioritize your tasks using a system like the Eisenhower Matrix, focusing on urgent and important items first. Also, minimize distractions by finding a dedicated, quiet study space, perhaps turning off notifications for 25-minute focused work sessions. Finally, support your learning journey by prioritizing your well-being. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, as rest is vital for memory consolidation. Don't hesitate to seek help from your professors, teaching assistants, or academic support centers when you encounter challenges. Maintaining a balanced lifestyle with regular exercise and healthy eating will also significantly enhance your cognitive function and overall academic performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.